Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 19th of August, 2019.
Hi, everybody.
Alrighty, drinking water tonight. Boy, I tell you what, a little dry over this last couple of days.
Well, it's a hot weekend and you worked your butt off.
I sure did. Alrighty, Labor Day is right around the corner. Can you believe that?
Well, the year's almost over.
Third and final holiday of the summer season. And it'll be over before we know it. Alrighty, guys, let's move on. Water's not as good as tea, but I need it tonight. Alrighty, this week in the shop and projects completed. I took off 3 days last week. Took off Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Did it on the down low, so Mama didn't know, and got some stuff ready for the birthday party for her big birthday, surprise birthday party.
Yeah, it was great.
Didn't get a lot of stuff done for the shop. I got a lot of little projects done around the house needed to be done, and some things for the party ready. Jay, Loretta, and I worked on the bar for the wedding. That's a Coca-Cola, I guess, front cover.
Yeah, I guess that's what you call it.
Yeah, front cover to Coca-Cola machine to a bar. Looks really good.
Cool.
Yeah,
cool.
So it's going to be a neat looking bar. I think we got get done. We got the panel picked out and cleaned, and then started cutting the framework out for it. And then Loretta completed a resin pour. Now that was a pretty neat
bunch of resin pours.
Yeah, one particular one.
It was for a very sweet friend who lost his wife and a stepdaughter in a car wreck, and it's been very hard for him. So I did a beautiful little resin pour for him to hang from his rear view mirror. That's got a wood bottom and a cross, angel wings, and a dove headed up to heaven. And he was very impressed with it. Almost brought him to tears today, which it's okay.
Alright.
It was my special gift for him.
Alright, and that's not been pictured on purpose. That's a private thing. So we don't have any pictures of that. And I think we're just going to keep that one kind of private.
Kind of private, yeah.
Let's see. Jay and I delivered some wood that Michael, Millhand Michael, and I cut a week or so ago.
Yeah.
We got 10, it was 10 1x4s by 10s, and then about 6 2x4s of varying lengths. The shortest was about 10 feet, and the longest was about 14 feet. But we could never decide how long we wanted the 2x4s.
It wasn't us.
2 foot and 6 foot. And, so I just went ahead and took him some long 2x4s and gave it to him and said, "There you go." Seemed to be happy with it.
Well, I asked her if she got her 2x4s today. She said, "Yeah." She said, "But they're all different lengths." I said, "Because you didn't know what 12 inches was." She's like, "Yeah, we'll fix it."
So I asked the guy if he had a saw, and he said yes. I said, "You can make them whatever length you want." He was happy with it and understood that there was some misunderstanding on their part on the size of the 2x4s. But anyhow, he was pleased with everything we got.
Yes.
And then I finished up on Loretta's footstool that I made for her for work. Now this is just a little rough footstool. It does need a little bit of sanding, but that's about it. But she doesn't want it painted. And this is with the through tenons here, so I don't know if you can see this very well, but the through tenons here. Pretty stable little bench here, though. It's actually pretty stable. So it's just up for her to rest her feet on. Finished out of yesterday, I think it was. Yeah, got the stretcher across the bottom.
That's because my feet dangle at work because they don't make chairs for short people.
Well, they make chairs for short people. They just make the cabinets and
well, the counter's the counter's way too high.
Alrighty, guys, let's move on. Alrighty, upcoming for Two Dogs. Got a lot coming up. We got to finish the Coke machine to bar. That has to be done. Probably won't get it done this week, but we're going to be working on it. I think it's Thursday night. Wasn't that what we decided? We're going to finish Reebok's dog water. I got that set over here. I just need to cut out the tenons. We showed him that last time.
Oh yeah, that's right. We did show it.
We got to cut out the tenons for that and put it together. And really not a whole lot left to do on that. We got to saw and dry some pine. I'm going to make some
farm tables.
I'm making some farm tables. Pretty easy to do, and I want to have them ready by somewhere around the 1st of October. Have the wood ready, not necessarily the tables, but the wood ready about the 1st of October. So I got a lot of sawing to do. Looking for some real straight grain, not free boards is what I'm looking for. I'm going to make tabletops anywhere from about 1 3/4 inches, probably the thickest, down to about 1 inch. I'm thinking maybe 1 1/8. We'll take a look at that later and decide. Alrighty, we got to finish the roof over the dog pen.
Yes.
Yeah, we got to get it done.
Oh yes, because they out there either baking or.
I got to pick up some boards from Daniels that I dropped off over there. We're going to use for that. we got to plan for Daniel and Kimmy's storage shed. That's right, it's getting
Oh
close to
yeah.
time doing that. The wood looks pretty dry that's sitting over on Daniel's porch. I think we're ready to go. So we should get that started the last weekend of this month or first weekend of September. We got to finish all the wedding accoutrements and I guess what do we want to call them? Decorations?
Decorations, wedding decorations,
yeah, we got a lot of things,
for the barn.
Things, but they're kind of surprises, so we're not going to tell you what those are, but we've got them started. And, just a little bit left to do on some of those. And then Loretta has got to do a resin pour. She's going to do several resin pours, but this one is going out to the Butterbean. Butterbean, that will be yours. And I think that's just about it for this evening. Let's move on. Well, it is just about it for this evening. Do you have anything?
No, we're going to continue to work. Well, yes, I do. We're going to continue to work on the list. Martha's table is going to be one of the resin pours too, because that'll be something. And I want to give a shout out for a fantastic birthday party. Outrageous birthday party. I was surprised. Brought me to tears. And I want to thank my daughter-in-law and my son for doing a wonderful job of hosting, my husband for putting up with me and for hiding it from me. He still owes me a romantic dinner now. And then everybody who showed up, all my friends and my family that showed up and supported it. Thank you. Gifts were amazing. Wine was wonderful. I mean, I can't say enough. I just want to thank everybody for all the...
And how about that food?
That food. Fernanda's. Yes. Everybody go to Fernanda's if you need a party food.
Oh my gosh.
Wonderful.
Reasonable prices.
Yes, reasonable prices. Very good food.
Yeah. Easily enough for 30 people.
Yes.
For, what I paid, and we've been kind of snacking on it since then.
Since then. Had a dinner twice.
All right, I think that is about it for this evening. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop. Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 19th of boom.
Crash.